Hello, this is Crowe. I'm doing my daily video for Aisa Love's 100K Mastermind training. In this, we talk about things that we learned through the webinar or through other students. I want to give a shout out to Cody Lewis. Man, what a fantastic job he did making his babe talk. And I really enjoyed watching the video. I went and watched it a second time. And I was really impressed with the script. Cody, did you write that yourself, or did you get someone to write that? Man, if so, man, you've got a great talent for writing the script for this. I was really impressed with that. Let me just kind of summarize what he did in the script. I've got me a note card so I won't forget. As I went through the third time, I jotted down some things that jumped out at me. It started out with "Hi there," where the babe introduced herself and introduced Cody. And then he says, "Oh, but wait, there's more." And then he tells a little bit more about OBA. And then after that, and then she says, "And here's the best part." And then discusses more and kind of summarizes even more and does a better job explaining the situation of the company. And then the call to action. There is a call to action, says click the link in the description. You need that call to action. Tell people what to do or they won't do it. Then I really liked after he did the call to action, his closing. He said, "Start earning money online today." And then the last statement was, "I hope to see you there soon." So great job, Cody. Everybody, if you've not watched Cody's babe talking, go watch his video. Look at his example. Thanks, Cody, for stepping forward and really, really doing such a good job in providing leadership for everyone. We'll keep an eye on what you're doing so we can learn from you. Thanks so much. We'll see you in a later video.